Good morning, children. So, today we will continue with the topic Our Friend Animals, Part 3 Revision. In Part 1, we have done about young ones and homes of the animals and about pet, wild, domestic animals. In Part 2, we have done the habitats, animals, and its habitats. And so, now in this session, we will do the revision of the work which we have studied till now. So, what are we going to learn in today's session? We will know some interesting facts of animals and we will recall and revise whatever we have learned till now. So, first of all, children, let's learn some interesting facts about tail. It's very interesting. So, let's see. So, how do animals use their tails? Do you know? Yes, children, it's very interesting. Tails are the very important part of the animals, and different animals use their tails for different purpose. For example, a dog uses its tail to express emotions. It puts its tail between its legs when it is scared and wags its tail when it is happy. Kangaroo and squirrel use their tail to balance their bodies. Yes, you can see the picture here of a squirrel. How a squirrel is balancing its body with the help of its tail. Monkeys uses their tail to swing from one branch of a tree to another. Yes, monkeys balance their body and they jump from one branch to another. They swing on trees with the help of their tails. Horses and buffaloes, cows use their tails to shoo the flies away. So, children, isn't it interesting? The importance of tails for animals. So, now let's learn some interesting facts about water animals. Water animals means animals which live in water. So, now some interesting facts. Do you know, children? Dolphins and whales are not fish and do not breathe with the help of gills. They breathe with the help of lungs. Most fish have a streamlined body and fins to help them cut through the water. They use their tail fin to change the direction while moving in water. So, children, these are the facts of water animals. Do you know, children? Frog is an animal which live both on land and in water. So, a frog neither has fins nor gills. Then, how does it swim and breathe in water? Frogs use their hind legs and webbed feet to push them through the water. So, what are hind legs? Hind legs are the back leg or posterior leg of animals. They breathe with lungs when on land and with their moist skin while in water. Now, children, we'll do few question answer. Question number 1. Name the animal which has a long neck to eat leaves of tall trees. I'm sure, children, you all know this answer. It's very easy. Giraffe is the animal which has a long neck to eat leaves of tall trees? Question number 2. Name the animal which is known as the ship of the desert. Children, camel is the animal which is known as the ship of the desert, and it stores food as fat in its hump. And do you know, children, why it is known as the ship of the desert? Because camel has thick padded feet which do not sink in the sand and also protect the camel from the hot sand of the desert. So that is why it is known as the ship of the desert. Isn't it interesting, children? Question number 3. Dash have thin legs to outcome enemies. Children, deer have thin legs to outcome enemies. Question number 4. Name any two animals which live in cold places. Answer is penguins and polar bears. And few many other animals are there which live in cold places. And do you know, children, penguins sit very close to one another for warmth and thus keep away the cold. And animals living in the mountain and cold places store food as thick layer of fat under their skin, and some have thick fur to protect them from the cold climate. Isn't it interesting, children? And if you have seen movies or pictures of penguins, you must have noticed, or now you can notice and find out why they are sitting close to one another, just to get warmth from each other and thus keep away the cold. Number 5. Name the land animals which hop on their strong hind legs, that is the back limb of an animal. Examples are rabbit and kangaroos. They hop on their strong hind legs. Now, children, once again we will do the revision. We have already done this earlier. What is animal habitat? So, animals live in different places. These are called animal habitats. Some of them live on land, some live in water, some live on trees, and some live underground. And some even live in land and in water. Now again few question answers. Question number 1. Which of the following is a domestic animal? Options are parrot, bear, cow, tiger. So you all know this. The right answer is cow. Number 2. Domestic animals depend on dash for their food and shelter. Options are A. Wild animals, B. Birds, C. Human beings, or D. All. A, B, or C. So the right answer is C. Human. Why, children? Because domestic animals live in farms and they depend on humans for their food and shelter. Name the animal which has a long neck to eat leaves of tall trees. So giraffe is the right answer because giraffe has a long neck to eat leaves of tall trees. Question number 8. Name the animal which is known as the ship of the desert. So right answer is camel. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Question number 9. Turtles can swim in water by using their dash. Option A, shell. B, body. C, flippers. D, mouth. So the right answer is C, flippers. So turtles can swim in water by using their flippers. Now children, we'll find out how animals move on land, in water, in air. Number 1. Name the animals that run or walk. So there are so many animals, but we'll find out only 2 animals. So those 2 animals are tiger, dog. Number 2. Name the animals that hop. So the right answer is kangaroo, rabbit, and even frog hops. Animals that swim with fins. So it's fish, then goldfish, sharkfish, and many other fish are there that swim with fins. Then number 4, animals that move on their 2 legs. So the right answer is kangaroo, penguins. They move on their 2 legs. Animals that fly. So birds, parrot, pigeon, so many birds are there which fly. Number 6, animals that have wings but can't fly. So the right answer is ostrich, penguins, emus, kiwi. These are the animals that have wings but can't fly. Number 7, animals that swim with webbed feet. So the answer is duck, geese, frog, and so many other animals are there that swim with webbed feet. But here only few examples are given. Now we'll have some general MCQs, children. Which of the following animals do not live in holes under the ground? Option A, squirrel. B, snake. C, mole. So the right answer is squirrel. A squirrel is the animal which do not live in holes under the ground. It lives on trees. Number 2. Which of the following is a wild animal? A, tiger. B, donkey. Or C, pig. It's very simple, children. Tiger is a wild animal. So option A, tiger, is the right answer. Number 3. Which of the animals live in trees? A, lizard. B, rat. C, squirrel. So the right answer is C, squirrel. Number 4. They have got small flippers and webbed feet. Option A, fish. B, penguins. C, owls. So children, the right option is B, penguins. Penguins have got small flippers and webbed feet. Number 5. Name the animal that makes honey. Option A, an ant. B, a mosquito. C, a honeybee. So the right option is C, a honeybee. Number 6. Name the animal with a long thin body and no legs. Option A, a duck. B, a rabbit. C, a snake. So the right answer is snake. Snake has a long thin body and no legs. Number 7. Name the animal that uses its hands to climb trees and likes to eat bananas. Option A, a fox. B, a penguin. C, a monkey. So the right answer is C, a monkey. Children, monkey is the animal that uses its hands to climb trees and likes to eat bananas. Number 8. Name the animal with the yellow and black lines on its body. Option A, a sheep. B, a zebra. C, a tiger. It's very easy, children. The right option is C, a tiger. Tiger is the animal with the yellow and black lines on its body. Number 9. Name the animal that can copy people's speech. A, a bear. B, a dolphin. C, a parrot. So the right option is C, a parrot. Children, parrot is the animal that can copy people's speech. Number 10. They sleep in the day and fly in the night. Options are A, kiwis. B, penguins. C, bats. So the right answer is C, bats. Number 11. Name the animal with the black and white line all over its body. A, a buffalo. B, a dragonfly. C, a zebra. So the right answer is zebra. Number 12. Name the tallest animal with a very long neck. Options are A, a deer. B, a giraffe. C, a wolf. So the right answer is giraffe. So now, children, in today's session, we have done revision through few exercises and MCQs and learned some interesting facts about animals and its tail. So I hope you liked the session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.